The first step in setting up a campaign is to create a publisher. Think of the publisher as a group of placements on a page or display traffic source. In the publisher screen, you will give the publisher a name and a username. The publisher name is what will be displayed on the home screen when you log into Avid. The username will be what you give to the publisher to log into Avid to view stats on the placements running on their site. You can disable publisher login by clicking the checkbox next to Enable Login. Even if you disable login, the username field is still required. Also note that the username must be unique and that it cannot be changed once saved. Some of the other options available when enabling login is to set an email address and a password for the publisher. You can also enable Publisher Review, which allows the publisher limited control over the ads that run through the placements on his site. Checking the boxes for spend, revenue, and conversion columns will enable those columns in the stats of the publisher when they log into Avid. To hide these columns in the publisher login, leave the boxes unchecked. Click the Save button to create a new publisher. The pencil icon allows you to quickly edit the publisher name without having to open the Edit Publisher screen. You can also click on the gear icon to open the Edit Publisher screen to edit the email address, reset the password, enable or disable Publisher Review, and change display options on the spend, revenue, and conversion stats columns. Publishers will log into their publisher account from the same Avid login screen, tenants.avidadserver.com, or navigate to the login page from our website on avidadserver.com. For clients that have a lot of publishers to manage, you can increase the number of publishers shown on the page with this drop-down box, or use a search box to dynamically filter the list and quickly find a specific publisher. To clone a publisher, click on the Clone Publisher button. This will create a copy of the publisher with all placements and ads in that publisher. To delete a publisher and all placements and ads in that publisher, click on the red X icon. Now that you have your publisher set up, the next step is to assign placements into these publishers.